What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to add multiple accounts on TikTok using just one device. Whether you want to manage both a personal and business profile, or just keep your content separate, TikTok makes it easy to run multiple accounts from the same app. First, open a TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. At the top of your profile page, you will see your username with a small downward arrow next to it. Tap on that arrow. A menu will appear allowing you to switch between existing accounts, or if you don't have any others added yet, you will see the option to add an account. Tap on Add Account to continue. If you already have another TikTok account, tap Login at the bottom of the screen and sign in with that account's details. If you're creating a brand new account, tap Use phone number or email address at the top. You need to use a different email or phone number than the one tied to your primary account. Follow through the prompts and complete the sign-up steps, and you'll be logged in to your second account. Now, to switch between your accounts at any time, go back to your profile. Tap the username drop-down at the top and select the account you want to switch to. TikTok will instantly load that profile within the same app without needing to log out. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.